I was challenged by Tosh Time to do the loaded baked potato challenge, and I just got to say thank you so much for this meal idea to have baked potatoes today. So these are some red potatoes. I left the skin on them, washed them, diced them, put them in a bowl with some butter, some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, turmeric, sea salt, pepper, avocado oil. That is big dying eggs right now. Avocado oil, sugared around in a bowl and poured it over in here. Covered it with some aluminum foil, baked it for 30 minutes. Now I am going to dress it. And I'm just going to serve it straight out of this pan. I went to the store and got the stuff to make these potatoes and forgot to buy potatoes. So I have to use the potatoes we have.
You go.
That should be enough cheese, I think. Yeah. Next up is sour cream. I should have put some salsa on this because that would have been good, y'all. I don't have no salsa here. I did think to get it when I was at the store. Next up is bacon bits.
Mom, green and black make red.
They do?
Green and black. Yeah, let's do. I'm picking in different cups.
Ta-da! And just serve it on a plate. And then when I put it on the plate, they can put hot sauce, ketchup, whatever they want on it.
Mom, red.
Taste test time.
The door. You taste me?
Mm-hmm.
Can I taste it? Can you make me some to taste it?
I should have screenshotted that thumbnail.
Mom, can you make me some to taste?
Yep.
Look, Mom, can you make me some to taste?
Yep.
I don't want none.
I'm gonna put a little ketchup.
I don't want ketchup on mine, Mom. That's just nasty.
And voila. I was looking for the sour cream that had the chives in it, and they didn't have any at Kroger's, which was weird, but
I'm about to get when he was undoing his trash.
and yes, that tastes good.
Make me some.
So,
Mom, make me some.
I am. Before I go, who do I tag? I tag Vegan Fit Mom. Y'all be hooking food up. The Fair Fam channel. You be hooking food up. Actually, I see you make potatoes all the time, but you probably been doing something new and haven't shared with us yet. So let's see how you make your loaded potatoes. Shaving, kicking with the Grants. I'm tagging you. Mommy of 3 redheads and where I'm brunette. You be in the kitchen cooking your butt off. You always show me some new stuff, so I'm tagging you. And oh, Low Walker, he thought you was escaping his tag. Nope, you haven't uploaded, or maybe I take that back. You uploaded once this year. That's it. So I'm tagging you again too. And why not tag Alicia Southern Crew? You be in that kitchen cooking your butt off too. So I'm tagging you too for this loaded baked potato challenge. Is what it's called. Thanks for watching.
I feel like they won't blow now.
You know what I forgot to put on these?
You better not put no ranch on mine, Mom.
I ain't gonna put no ranch on yours.
I want noodles.
Carly don't want no potatoes. She want
Why you
noodles.
didn't try some of the potatoes before you wanted noodles?